Hey guys, how's it going? I figured I'd fill y'all in while I'm waiting on the truck to warm up. We're gonna run out of Vance, see if we can't find us a serpentine belt and buy some of that paint that I ran out of yesterday. Because for some reason O'Reilly's don't keep it in stock no more. I don't know what their deal is, but figured I'd take y'all along with us. Well, as you can see guys, we're doing the worst part of it all. Filling the old rig up. But I figured I'd bring y'all along with us this morning and we'll catch y'all this evening. Alright guys, so for today's video, this morning as y'all saw, we stopped and picked up a new belt at Advance for the tow pig. We're going to be installing that because it's pretty much shot, and when I get it out I'll show y'all the comparison. And we're also going to pull the intake horn off of this thing and touch it up a little bit and put it back on. So we'll go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so we got the belt off there. It's a short process, pretty easy. But as you can see the difference here. You can see the difference in thickness about how wore out this belt is. So that's why we got the new one. So we're going to go ahead and jump into putting it on too. Alright guys, so while we're taking a break for the paint to dry, my girlfriend is supposed to be here somewhere putting a sticker on her car. Hi babe.
Talking?
Yeah. Oh, check this out. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing better than that. Alright guys, so as we're waiting on the paint to dry in there, I'm gonna kind of give y'all a brief walk around of, I guess, this truck, because this is my daily. This is what I use countless amounts of times. I use it to pull a horse trailer, flatbed. It hauls Ruby around for the most part, and I guess it's all based off reliability with this thing. It's on 2-inch leveling kit. Still got stock tars because I'm cheap and I ain't putting monster tars on there because fuel is expensive. It has a 1-year-old paint job. It's nasty right now, but it's been painted, the whole truck, top to bottom. As far as performance goes, I guess it's just got this power puck here. Put that on there years ago, just for like pulling a trailer. That way you don't have to gear down going on a hill or anything. And it's got 75 horsepower industrial injection injectors. I had the injectors go bad about a year and a half ago, and I replaced those. It's just got a Can-In air filter on it. Then it comes back a 4-inch exhaust, turbo back to a 10-inch axle dump. Everybody talks about how big that thing is, but as for the most part right now, it's pretty nasty. But when I clean it up, it looks all right. Where I got it painted and everything, it's got window tint. But besides that, I mean, it's pretty much a stock truck in my eyes, I guess, compared to what Ruby is. Okay guys, so here is the first gen that I've been telling y'all about. I will post a picture in the video of what it looked like when we first got it. See the little pumpkin underneath there. This truck has actually come a very long ways. Just a quick overview. We got these wheels and tires that come on the truck, but we had to put different wheels on it, I guess, because it had two different wheels and tires, and it set, I guess, not level. So we reverse leveled the truck, put badges on it, tinted the windows, completely repainted it, redone the front end. Now you may see this and be like, well, that's a W150 grill. It is, because we had to find a bezel that was actually in good enough shape to put on this thing, and a W250 grill wouldn't fit, so we had to go with the 150. As far as that goes, I guess, you know, it's complete overview. We put these tail lights in it, the stickers, the Dodge Ram there, got the nice "Don't Tread on Me" tags. We put these LED headlights, if you didn't notice them. They're pretty dang bright. Look there. There it is again. Nothing better. Got the LED headlights. Oh, and this is the other hood for it. If you notice that right there, hood stack. That's for when we want to do illegal stuff. But as of now, I guess we'll tell you what our performance modifications are going to be. Okay, so as you can see, the hood's popped and it looks, you know, straight stock. And you're going to say, well, DJ, you said this is a street truck. Well, let me take you back a step. In here, we have a block sitting on the engine stand. That block is going to go in this truck. Now, along with the motor getting built, we are getting a transmission to hold this thing, 950 horsepower. Now, what our whole goal is to do is to take this VE pump, set the record for the VE pump. The max amount of horsepower and torque that you can get out of the VE pump, that is what we are going for. Now, as far as the motor goes, as far as a 5.9, I really don't like to, you know, go a monstrous bore. as far as, you know, a street truck. Now, if you're something like a racing application like Ruby, well, yeah, then you might do that. But as far as a bore, we're pretty much going to keep it a stock bore, you know, just to stay safe. Play with the pump, go to intercooler, upgrade turbo, manifold, things like that. And then after we do that, everything should be good for it to be a pretty reliable street truck. Well guys, I think we're finished up for the day. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, follow us. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all again tomorrow, maybe with some fortune action, who knows.